Hi everyone, your MacBook powered adapter broke, and it broke exactly where the magnetic connector is. In my case, the cable ripped off, and you don't feel to go and buy a new charger or you don't have the money, or it's just too expensive for you. I'll tell you how to fix it. It's actually not so difficult, and you just need to wire two cables. And the hardest part is to remove the aluminum part around the connector, as you can see here. And well, I've been looking for tutorials, but really didn't find any correct one to remove this piece. And what I did was to use a metal saw. So with a metal saw, I cut it in the middle. I just put it on this device here, and I cut it right in the middle. So with a metal saw. And after you have done that, what you need to do is to get the two cables and solder them right here. So one goes there, and the ground goes here to this metal thing right here. Well, might not look aesthetically very pretty, but when you connect it, you can see that it actually works. So after you solder the cables, what I've done was to isolate everything with tape, and I'll glue it together with the aluminum case that it had before, so that it still protects. And I'll use this type of hot glue, and after applying the glue, I reinforce it everywhere, so that this part here is the main problem that breaks the cable. So the construction made by Apple is not strong enough. So I apply all this glue that's strong enough to protect the cable in the future, so that whenever you connect it here, and that there's still reinforcement here that doesn't break the ground cable. That's the main issue why this breaks. So as you can see, it's charging right here, and that's how you fix your MagSafe adapter. Yeah.